So you have been seeing people adding music to their notes on Instagram, and you want to do that as well. And now you're wondering, how can you do that? Don't worry, today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that in a very easy and clear method. All you need to do is to go ahead and follow up with me till the very end of this video, and let's jump right into it already. First, we need to go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're on, and from your store go ahead and search for Instagram, open it, and make sure you have it updated, because since this feature of adding music to your notes is a new feature, it is obvious that you need to update your Instagram app to the latest version available. After that, you can finally quit the store, and from there, of course, we need to go ahead and open the Instagram app and make sure you are logged into your app. Now from the Instagram app, tap right here in the top right corner to go to your chats and conversations. And from here, right here, you can see everybody is using this feature and adding music to the notes. First, we need to create a note. So tap on the plus right here on top of your profile picture. And then from here, go ahead and write the note if you want. To add the music to your note, tap on this right here on this music symbol. And from there, you can search for the music or just choose a song from the recommended list right here. I'm going to choose a song from there. So we'll go ahead and tap on it and choose the part you want to play of the song, and tap on the tick in the top right to save the changes. And then from here, just need to tap on share in the top right corner to post this note with music. If you don't have this feature, you can go back to right here, tap right here in the bottom right corner to go to your profile, and tap on the three lines in the top right corner, and then go to settings by tapping settings and privacy. Scroll all the way down and tap on help. Now tap on report a problem, tap on report a problem without shaking. And from here, you need to go ahead and describe your problem for the Instagram support team, telling them that you don't have that feature and you want it fixed as soon as possible. And they should fix your problem in a short amount of time. And that is it for this video, guys. Please like and comment down below. Let me know what you think about this video in the comments. Any questions, leave them there. And of course, subscribe to the channel. And thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.